today I'm going to be doing a packing video because this one has been pretty requested, and I figured I can't put it off any longer. It is still 5 weeks until my program, so yes, I am packing, or at least getting stuff out to pack 5 weeks early just for you guys. So I hope you appreciate this, hope you find it helpful, and give it a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will also leave a link in the description down below to a blog where I'll be doing a more detailed version of this packing list. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first I'm going to have my carry-on bag, which is also a waterproof backpack. I'm going to put some headphones in, my glasses, also some sunglasses, and an eye mask to wear for nighttime. I will then have my Kindle to read books on, and a little snack for the plane, some lip balm when they get dry, a mini deodorant just for the flight, my camera, which obviously I am filming on, an extra USB device, a purse containing all of my money, and a document folder as well. Then there is of course my passport, which I have to take, my ears because I love to be basic right for the plane, and this lovely headrest to wear on the flight. My laptop of course is coming with me for vlogs, and my makeup bag with all the essentials, as well as some moisturiser for when I get super dry on the plane. So that's my carry-on bag. So on top of all that, I will also have my external charger. I don't have it with me right now, it's in like another bag somewhere, I don't know, just for in the parks obviously to recharge my phone. Then all my regular chargers obviously will be going in my case for my camera and stuff like that. And then also I will be wearing my program hoodie when that arrives, because you do need something warm to wear in the apartment, in the malls and stuff, because it gets pretty cold with that AC. Now on to the wardrobe or clothing part of my packing. I have some dresses and play suits because I basically lived on them on my last program. Then I have pyjamas, and I also have some t-shirts. I'm not going to say how many because I don't want to be responsible for someone over or under packing, but generally I think the rule is pack as if you're going for like a 3-week holiday. Then of course I have some shorts, and over here I have some pop socks as well as socks to go inside my pumps. Then onto shoes, I have some smarter shoes to wear for traditions and training, as well as some sandals to wear in the parks. There's also some good trainers and flip-flops I'm going to wear. And speaking of traditions, I have got a couple outfits I'm going to wear. Moving on from that, I have my raincoat because it rains all the time, as well as a hat because it's really hot in Florida. Sunshine State gets both. Then we have my swimwear. I am taking 3 different types because there are 2 different water parks and a beach, and I figured 1 per visit. Then I have a nice side bag to wear to the parks, as well as my basic Primark backpack, which everyone has. And then even more basic, I have several more pairs of ears to take. Now onto the bathroom, I have a bigger size deodorant, a razor and some blades, some personal painkillers to use for headaches, some blister plasters, these ones I swear by, as well as my normal shampoo and conditioner and shower gel. I then have some setting spray to keep my makeup on all day in the parks, toothbrush and toothpaste. Then there is some makeup wipes, my personal skincare and cotton pads, contact lenses which I am blind without, my sun cream I'm going to take, and after sun a mini one for the parks, some scissors, a hand towel and a bigger towel as well, and of course a little tangle teaser, and that is all of the bathroom stuff. Onto the general stuff, I've got some pins for trading in the parks. I then have my extension cord as well as my annual pass holder for Universal, a couple of magic bands for more colour options, some adapters obviously coming from the UK, an amazing journal that my roommate from last summer bought me, and a padlock to use for my suitcase and the safe we get. Tupperware to use to take my lunches and pasta salads to work, and of course these essential British snacks that I cannot live without. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Leave some questions down below if you have any about other stuff to do with packing or just general program stuff in the lead up, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, bye!